Hello guys, for today video, ito at tuturuan ko kayo magluto ng malunggay. At ito yung nakuha ko na malunggay doon sa dinaanan natin na pinuntahan natin doon sa mga Pakistan. Hiningi ko to guys. At ito yung mga ingredients. Ito yung garlic, onions, tomato, and sardines cans. Ayan. And also salt and oil. That's the ingredients guys. So watch me and I will teach to all of you how to cook a malunggay, ginisang malunggay with sardines. So let's start guys. Ayan guys, at ito na yung ating mga ingredients. Here are our ingredients like tomato, just cut this tomato like that, and also these onions. This is the ingredients how to cook a ginisang malunggay or murunggi. Just cut these onions. And I cook this murunggi or malunggay, ginisang malunggay. That we call in the Philippines, ginisang malunggay. You know that ginisa? Cook murunggi. This is murunggi. See? This is murunggi. Malunggay that we call in the Philippines. And also put sardines. If no sardines, you buy shrimp. It's good because no shrimp. I use sardines. Sorry guys, kasi meron tayong ibang lahi na nanonood. That's why I speak English. So I teach on how to cook Philippine food like murunggi and how to cook. Okay guys? Disclaimer po sa mga manunod natin dyan. Even my English is Carabao. The other country here in the abroad, a simple English, they understand English. Hindi naman tayo masyadong karunungan na mag-English. At least nakakapagsalita tayo a simple English, you know. Because the other country, a simple English understand compared to the very alam nyo na napakatindi ng pagkaka-English at hindi nila masyadong maintindihan. It's better na simple English lang na makapagsalita tayo, di ba? At least maintindihan nila na maiano pa, bakit ba? Talaga bang kailangan pa ba ng perfect na English? Dito sa panahon ngayon sa social media, even now in the social media, even a little English or speak English, it's better than the good English because the other country, she knows a little English like me. Simple English like Carabao. So guys, now as I saying tama ba yun? I separate my video. This now I make a video on how to cook ginisang malunggay. So this is ingredients guys. This is a tomato, garlic, and onions. And I use oil also and salt so that the food is taste. Ano ba yun? So now I cut this garlic. So I cooking now malunggay, that we call in the Philippines malunggay or morongi in English. I don't know what saying the other country or what this vegetable. I don't know what the other country, what is this. This is malunggay that we call in the Philippines. In the other country, in the English is I see in the YouTube, in the other country they say morongi. You know morongi. This is morongi. This is superfood. This is more vitamins and have minerals and vitamins. If you eat this, your body is strong. You know, there's a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, K, E. You know that vitamins A for the body, for the vitamin for the our body vitamin have a vitamin like E, good for the health, and your skin good and your eyesight better, and vitamin C, strong bones and teeth, you know, and also vitamin E for the skin good and also for the hair. I'm not a doctor, you know, but I watch the YouTube, in the YouTube. That's why I telling to all of you what is the benefits of this morongi. So now I start now to cook this morongi. Follow me and watch me. Okay, let's go. So guys, let's start to cook. Just open the gas stove and put this frying pan and wait until the frying pan is heat. Okay? Now the frying pan is heat and put oil. So guys, I teach to all of you on how to cook malunggay or morongi. For a minute, the frying pan is very hot now and the oil is already. I put the garlic first. Put the garlic. And mix it like that. If the garlic is brown, golden brown, now it's already ready. Okay, now it's brown, golden brown, the garlic, and put onions. Wow, it smells good. This is garlic and onions put together. Now the garlic and onion already cooked. I add tomato. We combine together garlic, onions, and tomato like that. Oh, so it smells good. Look at that. This is a menu in the Philippines on how to cook morongi. Just watch me. If you like to cooking morongi, a very delicious menu or ingredients on how to cook morongi or malunggay in the Philippines. I teach to all of you guys. So watch me on how to cook this malunggay or morongi. And guys, after that, combines our ingredients like tomato, garlic, and onions. Just add sardines can. You know, this is a sardines with tomato. Just add this. And mix well. Wow, look at that. This is the ginisang malunggay that we call in the Philippines. Oh, see? It's very easy and how to cook malunggay. If you have a shrimp, just add and cook like that, like this. Okay? And now it's already cooked. So guys, I put malunggay or murunggi and mix like that. Ayan guys, this is malunggay or murunggi, how to cook in the Philippines. This is very delicious. It tastes your wife or husband or your kids or your family. This is a very nice and taste very good. There's a lot of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, B, K, E. So if you have diabetes, if you are high blood or anemic, it's also good for you. And good for eyesight, vitamin C, strong bones and teeth. So now it's already cooked our murunggi, and also add the water. This is how to cook malunggay. It's very delicious. Try it, guys. So now already cooked now, just waiting and cover. After a minute, 10 minutes or 5 minutes, it's ready cooked. Just wait guys. Jaran! It's already done. Wow, look at that. It look like delicious. Wait guys, I taste. So, I taste this my menu, malunggay. Let's taste. But it's not tasty. Just add a little salt. I forgot the salt. Sorry guys. I put salt and boil again. This is murunggi, you know, murunggi. In the Philippines, that we call malunggay. So now I taste it good or not because I forgot the salt. Wow! So nice, so delicious. Very good taste. Ayan, mekos. It's done already. Ayan. Thanks guys for watching. I teach to all of you on how to cook murunggi or malunggay. The ingredients in the Filipino food. Okay guys, enjoy watching. God bless. Wow, so delicious. Now it's done. That's it guys. Ayan na yung aking ginisang malunggay. Mainit-init pa guys. Ayan oh. Ginisang may sardinas yan. Ayan yung aking malunggay. Wala kasi akong hipon. Wow, tingnan ninyo oh. Yan ang nahurbat natin sa Pakistan, hiningi ko. Ginisa ko lang sa kamatis tsaka sardinas. Okay na yan. Masarap-sarap pa yan. No? Para siyang sitaw. Bata pa kasi itong malunggay. Malambot yan at masarap. Malinamnam. O, diba? Kain po tayo. At meron na akong itlog na pinirito. Yan o, linagyan ko ng patatas. Kahit ano na lang na ulam-ulam. Bakit ba? Basta sanay ka sa hirap sa probinsya, ganyan yung mga ulam, di ba? Wala nang paartihan dito, basta't mabuhay tayo, mag-survive tayo. okay na yan. So, let's eat na guys. Ayan ang aking ulam. Ginisang malunggay with sardines at itong piniritong itlog na may patatas. Ayan guys, kain na po tayo. Ang sarap nitong ginisang malunggay ko na may sardinas. Wala kasi akong yung hipon. Dati lalagyan ko tang hipon. Ayan, at ngayon sardinas lang. Masanay tayo. Dahil laki naman tayo sa hirap. Huwag na tayong masyadong pasusi. Mahal kasi ng yung dito guys, hipon. Kaya ito, sardinas lang, okay na yan. Bismillah, kain po tayo. Dahil ito pagkain nyo, no? Yung iba, tawag nila dito yung sahagod. Kasi nahagod siya ngayon. See? So guys, I teach all of you on how to eat this. Just open your mouth and then put this. Kalas. That's it. So delicious guys, really. If you have malunggay or moronggi in your place, in your backyard, just take this and cook. And watch my video on how to cook this, the ingredients. The other country don't know how to eat this, but surely if you know this cook my ingredients, you cook every day. Let's eat. And also I have a egg with a potato. Ang sarap guys. And I add a soup. Very nice, so tasty, really. Just you try. This is a very good. It's super food. More vitamins and mineral. You know, if you have a sugar or diabetes, you eat this. And also, if you high blood, you eat this also. And also anemic, low blood. And also good for the skin, the hair, and the eyes, and the teeth and bones. Vitamin E, vitamin C. And also have protein this, magnesium, potassium, calcium, fiber, zinc. There's a lot of minerals. That's why the doctor saying this is a superfood. And also medicine for cancer and diabetes. Search in the YouTube what is the benefits of moronggi or malunggay in the YouTube, because the doctor saying that this is a superfood. And also fighting for cancer, you know. One invented a capsule. There's a lot of benefit this malunggay. So guys, hindi na ako sa inyo magtatagal ng video. At least masishare ko, nababahagi sa inyo itong aking buhay-buhay dito sa Saudi Arabia, paano mamuhay, paano mag-survive, at itong mga kinakain ko. Hindi sa magarbo, hindi sa magasto, at masustansya pa. Kailangan natin yan guys, lalo na dito tayo sa abroad. Yung pagkain, sabi nga nila, health is wealth, di ba? May nakakabuti na sa pagkain natin at may nakakasama. Kaya ingat kayo dun sa hindi nakakabuti. Iwasan na matataba na pagkain, umuwas sa mga cholesterol dahil dito sa abroad. Lalo na sa Middle East, Saudi. Mga pagkain dito is mga roasted, kapsa, di ba? Yan. Kaya mag-ingat tayo dyan. Maraming na-atake, maraming nagkakasakit. High blood, sa diabetes, di ba? At saka dito, kailangan magaling ka rin sa buhay, sa paghawak ng pera, sa pagkain mo. Dahil kapag nagkasakit ka dito, walang ibang tutulong sa'yo. Oo, mayroong tutulong sa'yo once, twice, thrice. Ikaw din ang kikilos lang na kapag nasa hospital ka. Binahagi ko tong isang video ko na ito na mula na naranasan ko na talagang ang hirap na walang mag-asikaso sa'yo. Kahit na may sakit ka, ikaw kikilos ka. Maniwala kayo. Subukan mo mag-abroad para malaman mo ang buhay-buhay dito. Masarap mag-abroad, pero kailangan meron ka nito. Talino, taktika, masipag, madiskarte. Yan ang kailangan mo dito. Kapag syungi-syungi ka, walang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Uwi ka na luwan kasi anga-anga ka, wala kang alam na sa buhay mo na gawin. At kalaban mo dito una yung homesick. Kailangan sanay ka na mag-isa, alone. Kahit na may pamilya ka sa Pilipinas, meron naman tayong social media. Tumawag ka, huwag mong isipin yung mga
problema muna. Isipin mo muna kung paano ka kumita, paano mo ma-sustain yung pangangailangan ng pamilya mo. Dahil sa Pilipinas talagang problema ang ihatid sa atin yan. Kailangan yung ano tayo dito. Mabang ibig sabihin, yung matapang tayo dito. Mataktika, matalino. Dahil sa Pilipinas, puro problema yan. Kailangan, kailangan na natin ang mga problema. Kumbaga, isolve natin. Dahil hindi naman natin yan, araw-araw may problema, di ba? Kayong iba hindi nakakayanan ng problema. Ano nangyari sa kanila? Uuwi. Tapos yung iba hindi nakakayanan, nasisiraan ng bait. So, kailangan nasa middle lang tayo. Huwag natin masyadong akupin o ano yun ang problema. Ang problema araw-araw nandiyan yan. Basta't manalangin lang tayo sa Diyos. At ang manalangin, naway, lahat ng mga problema ay malampasan natin. At ating buhay, at pagdating ng araw ay makuha natin mga pangarap natin. Dahil lang dito sa abroad, hindi instant yan na makuha natin na yayaman tayo. Marami mga nag-abroad dito na nabigo. Diba? Kaya ikaw, kapag naswerte ka sa trabaho mo, pagbutihin mo, mahalin mo. At in the future, kung mayroon ka man kailangan na proyekto ay ma-invest, ngayon pa lang, umpisan mo na. Mag-ipon ka, at kung ano yung gusto mong gawin mo na. Dahil sa huli, kapag wala ka nagawa na umpisan, walang mangyayari sa'yo dito. Kailangan, kapag may proyekto ka, kapag meron kang gagawin mo na. Ganun. Dahil ako, sanay na ako sa buhay ko. Since nung bata pa ako, alam ko na kung paano mag-survive, paano namuhay. Kaya, dito sa abroad, kailangan alone ka, na kung ano mga problema mo, alone ka pa rin. Dahil kapag nakasanayan mo na mayroong kasama, at pagdating ng araw, at umalis ka, at inaasahan mo yung kasama mo, lagi kang aasa sa kanya. Kailangan masanay ka na mag-isa, para may mga problema ka, sanay ka rin na masolbahan ng problema naman mag-isa. Ayun ang ibig ko sabihin. So ayan guys, at kakain na ako at na-share ko lamang itong buhay-buhay ko dito as an OFW. Kaya kayo, mga mag-abroad dyan, pakaisipin nyo muna bago kayo umalis. Dahil meron tayong PDOS dyan, Pre-Departure Orientation Seminar. Ano yun, aralin ninyo at alamin at i-apply ninyo sa buhay nyo dito pagdating sa abroad. Dahil kapag hindi mo in-apply yan, ay talagang walang mangyayari sa'yo dito. Magiging talunan ka, magiging hindi ka magsusurvive dito. Kailangan matapang ka dito, masipag, matiisim, matyaga. Yun mga sinasabi ko sa inyo, totoo yan. Kailangan nyo yan. So ayan, magpapaalam na ako. Pobreng Kapampangan ulit. God bless. Good watching, and huwag nyo kalimutan i-follow ang aking page, Pobreng Kapampangan. At meron din ako YouTube channel kung gusto nyo manood yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin as an OFW, mga lugar, mga buhay-buhay ko, kung saan ako nagtatrabaho, at mga oras at mga trabaho ko, nandun lahat. Kung interesado kayo, manood kayo. Kung hindi, okay lang po. At sa mga followers natin dyan, maraming salamat sa panonood. Ang mga kaibigan natin, kabag-anak, mga kapatid, maraming salamat din sa inyo sa mga sumusuporta sa aking page o yung aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Ay, kain na po tayo. Masarap po. Ang linamnam. Hagurin mo siyang ganyan. Hindi mo kasi makain kasi meron siyang yung parang sapal. Pero masarap sa pasang sisaw. So guys, alam na po. God bless.